Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. In this lesson, we look at where antigravity's behavior actually lives and the friendly way to change it. There's an interactive settings editor for quick tweaks, and underneath it a plain JSON file you can edit directly or check into version control for a shared team setup. Let's open both and see how they connect. Here we are in a session. Let's open the settings editor, make a change, and then see where that change lands on disk. The friendly front door is the config command. Typing config opens the interactive settings editor, so you can browse and change configuration without hunting through files or remembering exact key names by hand. Inside the editor you'll find group settings, from the active theme to your MCP servers. We can toggle an option or add a server here, and the editor writes the change for us the moment we confirm it. Under the hood, every one of those settings lives in a JSON file inside the CLI's config directory. That settings.json file is the real source of truth, and the editor is simply a nicer view onto it. Because it's plain JSON, you can open settings.json directly to hand edit a value, and this is where things like MCP servers are actually defined. Power users often skip the editor and just change the file. And because it's a file, you can commit it. Checking settings.json into version control means your whole team shares the same defaults, so everyone's anti-gravity behaves the same way from the first launch. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The config command opens an interactive settings editor, the friendly way to change configuration without hand-editing files. Every setting lives in a settings.json file under the CLI's config directory, where things like MCP servers are defined. Because it's plain JSON, you can hand-edit it directly or commit it to version control, so your whole team shares one setup. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 23, where the cockpit commands let you tune key bindings, the status line, and the window title.